Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a 2015. This is a Toyota Corolla. We're going to replace the radio. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just you have to remove these panels right here. Okay, has a lot of clips. Just you have to be careful that not damage the clips. Okay, that's it. Just 4 screws with a 10mm socket. And pull it out right there. Disconnect the old connectors. That's it, guys. Okay, and this is the radio, and we're going to put it back again. Move the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Okay, put it back. Reconnect the emergency lights. And that's it, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye bye.